Hey, hi guys, this is Deepak, and in this video, I'm gonna cover details about the analytics option that is available in AWS S3. This is going to be a purely a theoretical understanding. Practical session will be in another video. So, as a person who's paying a lot of money for S3 as a financial um, manager of your project, you want to check how much am I paying? Am I paying really worth whatever I'm paying money? Is it really worth for what for my data? So you can check whether uh, how much data is actually warm versus how much data is cold. Warm data is what is being frequently accessed, and cold data is being infrequently accessed. So in case my data is cold, why would I pay for and standard access? I would go for an infrequent access, right? So that will charge me less money. So AWS offers you the option to do all those kind of analytics. So AWS basically gives you those features to do the analytics. So you can do that. So you can possibly look at your analytics, you can observe it, and then you can decide what is the right form of analytics that I need. So life policy, that kind of, sorry, what right life policy do you need? So if I see that most of my objects are accessed for 1 month and then they are not accessed, if you analyze that, then you can say, okay, my life cycle policy is to convert from standard to infrequent access within 1 month. So you can possibly define your life cycle policies. And you can have a visualization approach. AWS S3 by default gives you a way to visualize the usage of your data. You can have some daily reports on the access of your data, how much your data is getting accessed. You can use the report and you can see that the quantity of data, which is hot, which is warm and cold. Hot being most frequently used, warm is less frequently, and this is very infrequent usage, which is the cold access. So you could possibly use the reports which are available in AWS S3 for this purpose. And you could even look at understand, you can do a visualization. Wow, visualization really helps you to get a better understanding than doing it yourself. You can possibly visualize, you can look at the graphs, check out the graphs, and then make a decision. Wow, okay, this makes sense. I can do the visualization and I can get a result. So you can even visualize your data and you can check out things. And so you will have this kind of graph. You can see that you have standard, you have this much amount of the total size of standard, say it is 3 petabytes, and you have retrieved 2 peta. You have infrequent is 1 TB, and you have retrieved say 20 GB. So you can have the data mentioned by different type of life cycle of the like different kind of different storage classes. You can possibly observe, get those results as well. So you can check them. And so these are the different kind of analytics option that is available. Even you can use this summarized format also. You can see how much in the last 30 days, uh, what uh, which are old, like so like 45 to 60 days old data, which has been how much data has been retrieved for 45 to 50 days old, over 180 days old, how much has been accessed. So 90 to 180 days old, how much. So using this, all this, you can make a decision on how you want to define your life cycles. So use this information and decide, okay, say after I want to keep it say like 45 to 60-day policy, or so something like that, so that after 45 50 days my data is transferred from standard to infrequent access to reduce my costs. So these are all options you can use, and you can use tools like QuickSight. QuickSight is another is AWS tool which we'll cover in another video. In QuickSight, you can go and create your own visualization charts like so. You can create such charts and visualize the data. That will really be helpful. So you can use tools like QuickSights, which are really great. So those are the tools which you can use. And so these are the different theoretical concepts. These concepts are available related to analytics in S3, such theoretical concepts one has to understand for analytics. And in the next video, I'll cover more theoretical concepts on some other aspects, and I will also create videos on the understanding, going through the practical usage of these features of AWS, like analytics, like other features. So we'll go through the practical usage also. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.